Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ismul Kamil Muhammad Syafiq Albana. Kaifa yumkinu sina'atu taghyir al-inja'i bimujtama'ina al-arabi bina aqliyah arabiyyah mutanawwarah. Yakunu bina aqliyah arabiyyah mutanawwarah an tariqi tatbiq addati niqat. Ahammuha min al-aqli al-ilmi yakunu dhalika an tariqi tahriril aqli min al-hifdhi wat-talqin wa bina'il asasil khassah bitafkiril hurri alladhi yamnahul insan qudratin dhihniyatan wal aqliyah yusa'iduhu ala muwaqabah April awlamah wa dhalika yatatallabu ta'ziza maharat al-idrakiyah wal aqliyah wa tazwidal ashkhas bi maharati tahlil wa tafkir wa tarkib wa tafsir wal iftirab wal istintaj wa min thumma tadrihum ala takhadi qararat salimatin fil mawaqifis sa'bah bina'ul aqli ala mabda'il ihtilaf inna tabuqal afkar wa halatu mustahilah wa inal wujuda yastanidu ala mabda'il ikhtilaf wal imanu bihadzal mabda' yaj'alul aqla qadiran 'ala al-ibda' wal harakah wa fihi yatamakkanul insan min qabulil akhar wa qabulil afkaril mudaddah duna ta'assub. Tahqiqun nahdah yakunu tahqiqun nahdah an tariqi tiba' ma yali at-takhallus minat tabi'iyyah wat takhalluf. Innal qada'a ala tabi'iyyah yatatallabu bina'an nizamiyya khassin duna taqlidin lil mujtama'at al-gharbiyyah wa hadha la ya'ni 'adam al-istifadah min tajaribi tilka mujtama'at kama yajibu as-saytarah 'ala al-mawaridi tabi'iyyah wal insaniyah al-mutahati tabi'iyyah wal mutahati wal i'timadu ala dhati fil insya'i habara wal imtina'u an baqa'ina kamustahlikina yaswaqil gharab Rabdu siyasat as-saytarah wa ta'ali allati tumarisuha ba'dul mujtama'at al-mutaqaddimah 'ala al-mujtama'at al-arabiyyah ilgha'ut tabaqiyah yakunu ilgha'ut tabaqiyah bitakhallus minal faqri wa dumil furuq al-kabirah bainal aghniya wal fuqara fama yakumul gharbu bimumarasati 'ala al-mujtama'at al-arabiyyah tumarisuhu at-tabaqat al-ghaniyah 'ala ghalibiyyah asy-sya'bi alladhi ya'ishu fi halati faqr wa dhalika limtilakiha tharawatil bilad wa saytaratiha alal muassasat al-ijtima'iyyah wa ghairiha. Al-wahdatul arabiyyah takunul wahdatul arabiyyah tahqiqil indimajil ijtima'i wa takhallus minat tajzi'ati ijtima'iyyah wa siyasiyah allati tahdimu mujtama'al arabi wa tasma'u masafati batas na'ul masafati tafsiyah bainal afrad wal jama'at tahqiqul hurriyah wal adalah. Inna tahqiqal hurriyah la yumkinu ala yakuna duna tahqiqil adalah fala yumkinu al-qawl bi hurriyah syakhsin fi dhillin mujtama'in yajriduhu min insaniyah wa huquqi wa yakunu tahqiqul adalah ala tariqil adidi minal umur ahammuha iqamatu diyamuqratiyah allati tahrimu tanawu taghyiru dhat al-i'tiraf biwujudi mushkilah yu'addul i'tiraf biwujudi mushkilatin minal khutuwatil asasiyah lihalliha wa yajibul ilmu bi anna tafkirah bi hadzal amri la yaghni taqlila minal qimah adati kama la ya'ni dha'faha aw adama kafa'atiha wa 'indal i'tiraf bi wujudi mushkilah ya'ni ay yatrahal fardu ala nafsihi al-as'ilah at-taliyah ma huwa wad'il hali fi ayyi majalat ana aw ma hiya majalat allati yajibu ala taghyiruha wa min thumma al-bad'u fi at-taghyir ta'ziz al-alaqat al-asariyah ajma'ul atibba an-nafsiyyun ala wujudil adid minal halati allati tasilu ayadatihim natijah at-tafakkuk wal khilafat al-usariyah bainal aba wal abna bainal aba wal abna bainal aba wal abna wa bainal abna anfusahum wa ala syakhsin ay yuhaddida makanahu fi usratih yufakkiru kaifa yanzuru lahu akhawatuhu wa akhwalatuhu wa kaifa yash'uruna tujahahu wa ghairi dhalik minal umur fatta'yirul ijabi yabda'u minas syahhatin nafsiyah as-salimah al-amalu yakunu dhalika bima'rifati syakhsin makanahu fi amalihi wa yatadammanu dhalika nadrata ra'isil amali ilayhi wa hal sayatimul istighna anhu fi hali qararat idarah asy-syarikah takhfida adadil amilin fiha wa hal yuhaqqiqu ghiyabuhu farqan baina فرقا بين جموع زملائي وغيرها. فالإجابة على هذه الأسئلة تفنح الشخص فكرة واضحة عن طريق التغيير الذي يجب اتباعه. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syafiq Albana. How to create positive change in our Arab society. Building an enlightened Arab mindset. Building an enlightened Arab mindset is achieved by applying several points, the most important of which are building a scientific mind. This is done by freeing the mind from rote memorization and indoctrination, and by establishing the foundation of free thinking, which grants a person mental and intellectual abilities that help them keep up with the era of globalization. This requires strengthening cognitive and intellectual skill, providing people with skills in analysis, decomposition, composition, interpretation, assumption, and inference, and then training them to make sound decisions in difficult situations. Building the mind on the principle of difference, the alignment of ideas. The alignment of ideas is an important state. An existence is based of the principle of difference. Believing in these principles enable the mind to be creative and dynamic, allowing a person to accept others and opposing ideas without fanaticism. Achieving renaissance is done by following the following, eliminating dependency and backwardness. Eliminating dependency requires building a system independently without imitating Western societies, and this does not mean not benefiting from their experience. It also requires controlling available natural and human resources and relying on self-sufficiency and establishing civilization, refraining from remaining were consumer of Western market and rejecting the corrupt and superiority policies practiced by some advanced society over Arab societies. Abolishing classism is involves eliminating poverty and breaking down the large gaps between the rich and the poor. What the West practice on Arab societies is practiced by the rich class over the majority of the people who live in poverty with their ownership and the country's wealth and control over cultural institution and more. Arab Unity is achieved by establishing social integration and eliminating social and political fragmentation that destroy Arab society and encourage psychological distance between individuals and groups. Achieving freedom and justice. Achieving freedom cannot occur without achieving justice. It's impossible to say that a person is free in a society that strips them of their humanity and rights. Achieving justice is done through many measures. The most important of which is establishing a democracy that respects diversity, such as acknowledging the existence of a problem. Self-acknowledge the existence of a problem. Acknowledging the existence of a problem is one of the essential steps to solve it. It should be understood that thinking about this does not mean diminishing self-worth. Not does it indicate weakness or incompetence. Acknowledging its problem means asking oneself the following question: what is my current situation? In which areas am I? Or which areas shall I change? Then one begins the process of change. So strengthening family relationship. Psychologists agree that many cares come to their clinics due to the family breakdown and conflict between parents and children, as well as among siblings themselves. A person must determine their place in their family, think about how their siblings see them and how they feel towards them, among other matters. Positive change begins with sound mental health. Work. This involves understanding one's position at work, including how the employer feels them, whether they will be laid off if the company management decides to reduce staff, and whether the absence make a difference among colleagues. The answer of this question gives the person a clear idea of the change that need to be implemented. Thank you.